Hey guys, how's it going? How to share a location on Google Maps. So make sure that you updated the app to the latest version in order for this to work out. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up my Google Maps, and as you can see, this is my location, and I'm gonna select a random location from here, right? Let's say for example I want to select that location, right? Now as you can see, you will see every information about this place. Now if I wanted to share it, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swipe left right here to see multiple options, hit share right here, basically click share that place, and you're gonna see a pop-up window that allows you to share to social media like WhatsApp or whatever it might be, and then hit share to your chats. Leave me a comment down below if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.